At PNC, we believe some of the most basic and boring information can lead to brilliant outcomes. Today, we'll show you how to void a check step by step. First, you'll want to void a check if you made a mistake when writing it or need a blank check to set up direct deposit. Start by using blue or black ink and write the word void in large capital letters across the front of the check, but don't cover the accounting or routing number at the bottom. If you haven't already signed the check, you should not add your signature. Then make a note of the check number for the future. You'll also want to avoid a few common mistakes. Writing void too lightly or too small might not stop someone from trying to cash it. Make it big and bold. Voided checks still contain sensitive information, like your name and account numbers. So don't just throw them away. Shredding or ripping up your checks before disposal, especially your account number, can help prevent check fraud. Learn more on PNC Personal Finance Insights at pnc.com/learn.